Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Whether you're a teacher, course creator, or e-learning enthusiast, it is well known that creating quiz for your courses is one of the most hard and time-consuming tasks. So, we thought to solve this problem by integrating the AI in the process. Now, just installing our newest plugin AI quiz generator for LearnDash and using the API of your favorite AI, you can auto-generate quizzes for your courses. Watch my step-by-step guide on how to use this AI quiz generator plugin that creates quiz fast, as per your command set in setting area. Step 1. Install and activate the plugin. First, let's install the plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Once you upload it, click Install Now, and then Activate. You'll see the plugin appear in your sidebar menu. Step 2. Configure your API keys. Next, we need to connect the plugin to the AI services. Go to the Plugins Settings page. Here, you'll find fields to enter your API keys for OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or Grok. Just paste your keys into the appropriate boxes. Don't have an API key yet? No worries. Each provider has a simple sign-up process. Check the links in the description for step-by-step guides on getting your API keys. Step 3. Set your preferences. Now, let's customize your quiz generation settings. You can choose your primary AI provider, set the order of fallback providers, and decide how many questions you want per quiz. Want to include math or science questions? Enable LaTeX support for beautiful equations. You can also set your default course and lesson, question type, and even enable auto-posting so quizzes are generated and published on a schedule. Step 4. Generate your first quiz. Ready to create your first quiz? Go to the Generate Quiz tab. Enter your topic, lesson content, or a brief description of what you want the quiz to cover. Click Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will create a set of questions tailored to your input. Step 5. Review and edit the quiz. You'll see a preview of your generated quiz. Take a moment to review the questions and answers. You can edit, add, or remove questions as needed. The plugin gives you full control, so you can ensure every quiz matches your teaching style and course objectives. Step 6. Publish to LearnDash. Once you're happy with your quiz, it's time to publish. Select the LearnDash course and lesson you want to add the quiz to, then click Publish. That's it. Your quiz is now live and ready for your students. Step 7. Automate with cron scheduling, optional. Want to automate quiz creation? Enable the auto-posting feature and set your preferred schedule, daily, weekly, or custom. The plugin will automatically generate and publish quizzes for you, keeping your courses fresh and engaging without any extra effort. Step 8. Manage and track your quizzes. Easily manage all your quizzes in one place and keep your course content up to date. And that's it. With the AI quiz generator for LearnDash, you can create, customize, and publish quizzes in just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress and e-learning tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching with the AI quiz generator.